Okay, good morning mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So today is our first episode for our new playlist mga kabuchi. Talk to my plants. So this is our red Congo, our golden melanoni. This one is the belite. That one is the choco philodendron. We have the snowdrip over here, the Monstera deliciosa that doesn't look good because the white leaf, part of the leaf mga kabuchi are turning into black. Then you cannot still see the cardboard here mga kabuchi because it's too young. And then I have here black cardinal, the mother and the top cut. So this week lang ni siya nakat mga kabuchi. So these are our plants more or less. I think you are also seeing the royal queen here. So our first topic sa atong talk to the plants mga kabuchi is about the sad story of those who were able to achieve academic excellence mga kabuchi. So if you notice mga kabuchi, our parents were very proud mga kabuchi if we got honors, higher honors or ordinary honors at school mga kabuchi. So students strive hard mga kabuchi, study hard to achieve academic excellence. And then currently we are seeing that the sad truth mga kabuchi, that those who were able to achieve academic excellence mga kabuchi were still bullied mga kabuchi at work, even though they are professionals mga kabuchi, but they were being bullied by those who were not able to get some academic excellence mga kabuchi just because they are a family of politicians or old rich mga kabuchi. They were able to bully those who were able to achieve academic excellence mga kabuchi. So recently, sikat kaayo sa news, diplantada pa ang academic excellence, doctorate, masterals, but at the end of the day, the old politicians or maybe bisag younger generation of politicians na gani were still able to control. So sa Bisaya pa mga kabuchi, very sad kaayo na you are very excellent in school mga kabuchi, and then some bulakbol lang sila, bully at school, dili hapit mo pasa lahi ra ang magbuhat sa project, magbayad lang para na buhat sa project, then influence lang gamiton para makagraduate bisan walay hapit sulod-sulod sa klase, and then inig panarbaho na mga kabuchi ang katong mga scholar kay ila lang gyapon mag-control, mabully. So kag unsa pa imong na-achieve nga academic excellence, kung mapakontrol ka sa politiko mga kabuchi, at the end of your life ikaw na gyapon ang guilty, no? So mo na siya, life is always unfair mga kabuchi. Diba plants? So ganahan mo anak plants. No, kapoy kay tag-eskwela. We work hard at school, we study hard, we do projects, presentation, kulba-kulba pa atong heart. Ang uban kay out of school lang, wa na nag-school. Unya da ito, at the end of the day gapon, at the end of our lives gapon, we will end up being controlled by those bulakbol and bullies in schools daig gapon mga kabuchi. Diba? So very sad reality mga kabuchi. So mga plants, ikaw, what can we do about that? Wala lang. So you grow na lang. You grow. Diba? So sa mga itong lesson na learned ani mga kabuchi, wala ko kabalo. It's very hard mga kabuchi. Very sad that someone who is achieving a lot at kanang school with honors, with masters, with doctorate degree, and then They are kuan pa di ay, they are being controlled by those bulakbol sa school, no? They are being controlled by those who were not doing well at school di ay. So may mahitabuan na, so we will end up lang gyapon that our country is governed by those people who are not doing well at school, kay ang kadto ang mga naay mga academic excellence di man daay na criteria for you to govern our country di ay. Ang criteria man is 3G, gold, guns, and unsa na siya? Kalimot man ko mga kabutsi, unsa to ng 3G. So sad ang reality mo na akong realization this week mga kabutsi, very sad. But then, I unta ma-realize sa mga people nga na mga masters din ha, mga doctorate, that naa jud unta sila chance, no? If dili lang sila mahadlok, isab sila mahadlok, kuya akong mahadlok sa di lang sila matintal. Diba? So, mao ni atong first episode sa Talk to Our Plants mga kabutsi, our first podcast. So, hopefully we can improve our discussion mga kabutsi. So, this should be the end of our video mga kabutsi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Until our next episode to our Talk to My Plants.